A train of length 260 meter crosses a bridge of length 40 meter in 12 seconds. Find speed of train. Data given: train length 260 meter, bridge length 40 meter. So total length 300 meter. Time is equal to 12 seconds. Then find out speed of train. Speed of train is equal to total length divided by time is equal to 300 divided by 12 is equal to 25 meter per second. Converting into kilometer per hour, we multiply 18 by 5 into 25. 5 is 90 kilometer per hour. So speed of train is equal to 90 km per hour. Thank you for watching.